What is DNS?
DNS, or Domain Name System, is often called the Internet's phonebook. It's a fundamental technology that translates human-friendly website names, like Google.com, into the numerical IP addresses computers use to find each other online. Without DNS, you'd have to remember a long string of numbers instead of a simple website name.
Why DNS matters?
Every device on the internet has a unique IP address, but these are hard to remember. DNS makes browsing easy by letting you enter words instead of numbers. When you type a web address, DNS finds the matching IP address behind the scenes, ensuring you land on the right website quickly and easily.
How DNS works, step by step.
When you enter a website address, your device asks a DNS server to find the corresponding IP address. If the answer isn't already cached, the DNS server forwards the request up a chain of servers, including root, top-level domain, and authoritative servers. Eventually, the correct IP address is found and sent back so your browser can load the website.
DNS Servers and Caching.
There are different types of DNS servers, including recursive resolvers and authoritative servers. Caching helps speed up browsing. When you access a website, your computer and local DNS servers temporarily store the answer. Next time, the address can be found more quickly, making internet use faster and more efficient.
DNS Security and Reliability.
Because DNS is so important, it's a frequent target for cyber attacks or misuse. Security tools like DNSSEC help protect users from tampering, while redundant servers ensure availability. Keeping DNS secure and reliable is vital for everyone who uses the web, making it a cornerstone of daily online life.